Whoa, I'm getting hungry. You want to make some food together? All right, let's get cooking.
First grab some veggies and chop them up. Chop, 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 chop. Now mash the potatoes. Mash them good. Mash, 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 mash. Now I cook the meat in the pan. I can hear it sizzle. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Cooking in the kitchen, I'm whipping and mixing, fixing, frying, peeling, chopping, doing my thing. Come on, moving and shaking, I'm flipping and baking, no faking, no mistaking. I'm in the mood for food. Yeah. All right. I'm in the mood for food. I'm in the mood for food.
Now how about some dessert? Let's bake a cake.